Okay, so this is a little jewel box here at the top of Towers on the Park. It's a beautiful two-bedroom, and it's got three different exposures. So you're looking sort of, it's almost a 270-degree view. Right above Central Park, you get to see the Great Hill, the bicycles running down, the runners, the beautiful light out of foliage. And it's a very nicely renovated apartment with a huge buffet bar, which is a dining table really, made of marble. And it's a lovely condominium, doorman elevator, laundry. We also have a garden, in addition to Central Park, Morningside Park, farmer's market. Now this apartment, like I said, it's a two-bedroom. They have an interesting little shape here because of the layout. We do have shelving, again, beautiful southern views. I don't know if you can see, but that's the entire New York City skyline. Empire State Building, all the new buildings on Billionaire Row, Citicorp, and of course a vast expanse of Central Park, Fifth Avenue, the Guggenheim, and beautiful light here. This is afternoon light we're getting. There's a huge closet in this room, lots of shelving again, two sets of shelves because of the angle. And then we go back into the main room. There's an entry area over here with a nice little shelving there and two big closets. Well, one big one, one small one. And this lovely living room area here, which, as you can see, faces both south with this expansive view once again, and east. Now, obviously the sun shines in on the east in the morning, goes across, shines in south, and then west is where it's coming in from now. So we have the western light coming in through these southern facing windows. But the views are just breathtaking. Like I said, it's all Central Park, right from the northwest corner all the way down. You can go along Fifth Avenue to the southern part of the park, and then we go back. We got air conditioner installed here, obviously, to the entire park. You can see from these windows. And beautiful table here. It's all marble, it's built in. It's part of the kitchen, so it's an open plan. Cook, eat, enjoy. And while you're cooking and washing dishes or whatever you do in the sink, you can also look down at Central Park. So the views are really, really breathtaking from this apartment. Very nicely renovated kitchen sink, cabinets. You have a nice stainless steel stove, dishwasher, more cabinets under the buffet, refrigerator, storage. And then we go to this little back towards the entrance area. We have a full bath, tub, marble, beautiful vanity, lots of lighting. Very modern. It's nobody's actually lived in this since it was renovated, so it's brand new in that sense. And this is the slightly larger bedroom. This one faces sort of east and north, so you can easily get a king-size bed into this bedroom here. Two different window banks. This one is again right over the park, looking east. And then you look down at the circle. We have the circle, Frederick Douglass Circle, on Central Park West, Central Park North, and Frederick Douglass Boulevard. Two more closets here in the bedroom, the master bedroom, or the larger bedroom. And here you get an idea for the circle and the view down into towards the entrance of the building. Entrance of Central Park, subway just below, and like I said, 24-hour concierge, farmer's market on the corner every Saturday, grocery store in the building, cafe across the street, dry cleaners, nail salon, and liquor store, all within this complex called Towers on the Park. 5 buses that take you everywhere, south, east, to the shopping center over there on the river with Costco and a bunch of different Best Buy, Target, and buses that take you into the village. Down the subway takes you down Columbus Circle and further down. The B and the C trains directly below the building, 2 and 3, 2 blocks away, 1 3 blocks away up by Columbia University, and basically a very, very convenient location. Jewel box of an apartment, and a very nice building. This is Christopher Butt with the Corcoran Group, 917-721-0202. If you would like, if you're interested in this apartment or any other in Manhattan, I'm happy to help you. This is Towers in the Park. I'm with Corcoran, 917-721-0202. Christopher Butt.